Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are cooking Snicker Doodles. And these are really fluffy. I've made them a couple times before, but my family really enjoys them. So we're gonna give it a try today. All right, so for our Snicker Doodles, the first thing you're gonna do is cream your sugar and butter. Usually you're supposed to use a hand mixer. So you're going to be using a half cup of butter and a half cup of sugar. So I'm going to start with my half cup of sugar, half cup of butter. So I melted mine a bit because I don't actually want to use a hand mixer. So I'm trying to see what I can do to not use a hand mixer.
But why?
But basically you want your butter to be warm. You don't have to melt it all the way. And then we are gonna just mix the butter and sugar together. So this is why a hand mixer comes in handy if your butter isn't melted enough. Have it be pretty smooth, relatively smooth, because the sugar is grainy, of course. And then we are going to use 1 egg. And then we are going to use 1 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. This is 1 teaspoon. I like vanilla, so I sometimes do more. Then we are going to just mix that in. So we have egg, vanilla, butter, and sugar. It smells really good, really sweet. And this is sort of the consistency that it'll be. We are going to put in our flour. We'll use 1 3/4 cups. Now we are going to put in a little bit of salt and our baking powder. So for our salt, we're gonna do a 1/4 teaspoon, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. All right, so next we are going to add in 2 tablespoons of milk. And we drink almond milk, so that's what I'm using. And then I'm gonna put in 1 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And we're gonna mix again. Okay guys, so this is what our dough looks like now. We didn't make too much of it. It's like a good curd. And this is sugar and cinnamon mixed together. I just mixed it like so. And it's granulated sugar, not powdered sugar. So we are going to take, this is tough because I don't want to get my hands too dirty, but take the dough, make a ball about this size because we're making big ones, so a little bigger than, I don't know, just like a small ball. And then we're gonna roll it all over in the cinnamon and sugar. And we're gonna place it on the pan, like so. We just do that over and over again. The oven is already preheated to 375 degrees, and we're gonna put them in there for 10 minutes to start. So these are how they're looking after 10 minutes. I'm gonna give them another couple minutes, and then I'll take them out. All right guys, so these are my fluffy Snicker Doodles. As you can see, they're pretty thick. But they're really porous and have a lot of air on the inside. I am going to plate these and get them ready for everyone to eat. They're really warm, delicious, super easy to make, like the quickest homemade cookies, and really good, especially if you don't like hard cookies, which I don't. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Let me know down below in the comments if you try out the recipe or if there's other recipes that you think I should give a shot. Let me know, and thanks for watching.